Hi guys. Okay, so today what we're going to be doing or being learning is exterior angle theorem. But first, before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below to share to all your friends. So let's jump right into this video, my feline friends. So with the exterior angle theorem, you it's basically it's like a triangle. So if you follow this triangle right here, renting to my sheet. So if you follow this triangle right here, I'm about to show you, you'll see that it's basically like a triangle, but some of it is left out. But also you want to keep that like a line. So in the diagram I want to show you is this triangle. These lines meet up. That looks like a terrible sketch. Um, I'm sorry guys, I suck. But so basically, it's this right here is what you're focusing on. And I hope you get what I'm saying. I will demonstrate what I'm saying further on in the video. I just want you to understand what I'm saying. So I'm going to show an example problem. Oh, also know that your formula is, this is your formula. The formula is W equals X plus Y. Now, the reason why I say that is, the reason why I'm using these is because in our practice problems, this isn't really going to be a practice problem, but it's going to help you understand what I mean. Triangle. Its name A, B, and C. Okay? Triangles named A, B, and C. That's the triname. Now, I don't want you to get confused between if it says, what is the measure of this angle? I don't want you to say A, B, C. No. Something like this can be very confusing. And in a minute here, I'm going to explain what I mean by that. But if they ask you that, to find the measure of X, or find the measure of Y, or find the measure of M, that's finding the measure of that variable or that name. But if it's saying find the measure of ABC, angle ABC triangle, the whole triangle, not just one small little angle. Not trying to find this X, or not trying to find this Y. You're trying to find the whole triangle, including its exterior. So the triangle is ABC. I hope that I made that pretty clear. If you don't understand, you can pause or rewind anytime in this video if you need to. But the triangle's name is ABC. And like I told you before, it's very important that you know the formula. Now, the reason why I'm using W, X, and Y is it can be any really number. Um, I'm using X, Y, and W because I think that I want to use it that way. Uh, Now, I want to explain I want to show what each place means. So this right here is a normal triangle, right? You're like, what's this thing right here that I'm shading in pink? You're like, what's this? What's this extra stuff? This extra stuff is the exterior, which brings on along our exterior angle theorem. So basically, this yellow part is a triangle, but one of the sides have extra is going out the triangle. So basically, we're going to take this yellow and we're going to equal it to W. That's why you get the formula. You're trying to get W equals X and Y. Because let me tell you, the definition of an exterior angle is of a triangle. An exterior angle of a triangle is an angle formed by extending one of the sides of the triangle. So this pink highlighted shape right here is the extended side of the triangle, which is the exterior angle. And these yellowed highlighted angles are the two remote interior angles. These two angles are inside the triangle and are opposite of the exterior angle. I already gone through that. The triangle name is ABC, and it's not always that a triangle's name is not always going to be ABC. It could be EDF, EDG. It doesn't even have to be even in a alphabetical order. You just have to know the name difference. And you also need to differentiate the difference between the exterior angle and the two remote interior angles. As you can see, I have helped you by figuring that out, which you can see is the remote interior angles are the two yellow highlighted one, and the pinkish purple one is the exterior angle. How do we find this? We use our formula W equals X plus Y. The measure of the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior angles. So basically what I'm saying is the exterior angle, the measure of the exterior angle is the sum, which is adding. So you add the two interior angles. So let's give you a practice problem, shall we? And my drawings are very terrible. So, oh, I drew that wrong. My bad. Um, and it doesn't matter if it has a arrow at it on it. Okay. Okay. So this triangle is called TUVT. UVT. But usually you'll find the angle names in alphabetical order. So we're trying to find U. But we know that V is 50 degrees. It's the terriblest 50 I've ever seen. And also that this T is 110 degrees. 15 degrees, my bad. Okay. So you have to figure out, you know that this question mark is going to equal in a variable. So we'll just make that X, or you can do U since you're trying, since you don't, it's the unknown variable basically. So like we said previous, that how to find an exterior angle is to get the exterior angle to add up the two remote interior angles to get the exterior angles. So we need to find out what's the two interior angles. Well, all you need to do is find what's inside of the triangle. And as you can see, that this, yeah, I'll try and color it. This right here is the interior, and this right here is the exterior. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to take it, we're going to add this 50 plus x. Remember, u is our unknown, equals 115. Now, we just solved this like a regular equation. So minus 50 minus 50 over each side. We have to make sure it's balanced. That's why you bring it out, cancel it out on one side. And bring down your x. And 115 minus 50 is 65 degrees. So x equals 165 degrees. Next. So x equals, 65 degrees. So this equals see, I'm trying to do cursive. Gosh. Now this has been Jade, the cat. I need to get better on this. It's not working for me. I'm trying to figure out my signature. I never did well with K's. That's why this looks like an R. Hey, let's mess up this whole thing. Because we hate it. JK. I don't love math. I wouldn't say it's my favorite. But right now it's my favorite. But like it wasn't always. And I'm just glad that I'm not struggling in it. And I'm glad I'm getting A's and B's and that I'm being successful. And so it's time to go. This has been Jade the Cat here, making sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below to share to all your friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really would love it if you just actually leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. It's not really that hard. All you gotta do is press that button. Okay, if you need me to draw it out, tell me if you need me to draw it out. I will draw it out. I will draw a detailed picture of a subscribe button for you. I really will. It will suck, but I'll try. But just make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and all that jazzy stuff. Signing off to you, it's Jade the Cat, and I want to say bye, my fellow feline friends.